ENERGOPROJEKT Entel is a member of the ENERGOPROJEKT holding group, an enterprise which has developed to become one of the most reputable international engineering companies through more than 60 years of international experience, with successful business practice and operations conducted in over 60 countries worldwide. The integrity and strong performance of ENERGOPROJEKT is perhaps best depicted by its constant presence on the top 200 list of international consultants, as issued by the renowned Engineering News Records magazine. With Entel's lengthy experience and knowledge and the strong dedication of its employees, it has become a well-recognized and respectable consultant in the field of strategic planning and management of highly complex and demanding projects. Entel's services integrate commodities deemed essential in the modern day: energy, water, and communication technologies, coupled with the preservation of natural resources and the provision of sustainable development as our commitment to future generations. To date, we have provided consulting services for coal-fired power plants with a combined capacity of up to 10,000 megawatts. The installed capacity of liquid and gas-fired power stations served by Entel's engineers is equally impressive, including 4,000 megawatts of power generation facilities in the Middle East. Most recent is the Facility D plant in Qatar, with a capacity of 2,400 megawatts power and 130 MGPD water generation. Within Serbia, Entel has led a team of companies towards the successful completion of a highly complex refurbishment of a 350 megawatt power unit, whilst ensuring adherence to the stringent environmental requirements and the strict norms of modern engineering practice. Entel is heavily involved in projects addressing renewable energy sources. Wind power projects and solar power plants are part of our expertise and are of particular significance in our portfolio. As a part of this initiative and as a company that leads by example, we have implemented a solar power plant on the top of our own corporate headquarters complex in Belgrade. Entel actively participates in environmental protection initiatives, primarily through projects aimed at the reduction of particulate pollution, flue gas desulfurization, and the implementation of modern ash disposal technologies in lignite-fired power plants, as well as the integration of wastewater treatment facilities. Since the early 90s, Entel has enjoyed a constant presence in the Middle East and North Africa market, a region with the most intense power generation and transmission market development. In this prestigious and highly demanding market, Entel has demonstrated and repeatedly confirmed its technical and professional expertise and has built a recognized brand. In order to provide the most professional services possible, Entel has opened branch offices in several Middle Eastern countries. Over the past decade alone, Entel has been contracted as either a consultant or a designer for more than 250 power substations, including an impressive 15 400 kV substations. The latest technical solutions of gas-insulated substations have been implemented from start to finish, from initial ideas through to final commissioning in unbeatable record time. The total capacity of power transformers exceeds 60,000 MVA. Entel has rendered services which exceed 3,000 kilometers of overhead lines, including 800 kilometers of 400 kV power lines. Our engineers have designed more than 900 kilometers of high-voltage cable lines, including 120 kilometers of 400 kV lines. Entel has participated in defining the main concepts and the construction of Oman's and Qatar's national control centers. Entel has been awarded the highly demanding role of project management consultant in the largest desalinated water storage project worldwide in Qatar. The project envisages an impressive 10 million cubic meters of water storage capacities and associated pipelines. Our experts possess a strong understanding of water desalination technologies and processes. We have participated in projects that have provided access to potable water for several million people in the Middle East. Our experts have carried out the construction of over 1,500 kilometers of water transmission and distribution lines, as well as over 1,000 kilometers of sewage transport lines. In the past 5 years alone, Entel has provided consultancy services in capital projects with a combined investment value of over $12 billion. Through the execution of complex and strategically important projects in key industrial sectors, Entel takes pride that it has become recognized as a trustful, reliable and client-oriented partner in projects that require a high level of professional service, extensive technical knowledge and unmatched dedication. Entel's clients traditionally include national institutions, ministries, power and utility companies, private service providers and construction companies, as well as companies from the oil and gas sector. Our employees are our most valuable resource. Their broad knowledge of current and future technologies, experience, enthusiasm and dedication to corporate success are all crucial elements which have aided the creation of Entel's strong international reputation and presence. Our local and multinational teams work together in synergy to discover the ideal solution for each client individually, and this is precisely our main corporate strength, further to our vision and mission of being the chosen provider of outstanding engineering services. We truly believe in our motto, always among the best.